Did you know? There are more than 2,600 children under the age of 13 involved in a car crash every day. Theo knows. That's one child every 33 seconds. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, nearly 60% of car seats are improperly installed. As such, parents and caregivers need to be extra cautious, keeping children safe in cars. Theo says, thanks for joining us for a special Theo Thursday with the Governor's Office of Highway Safety as we celebrate Child Passenger Safety Week.
Theo! What's wrong? Is something wrong with Bradley's car seat? Good morning. You alerted me that you need help installing your car seat. My name's Amanda Jackson. I'm a child passenger safety technician. Can I assist you today? Yes, please. Absolutely. There are 5 steps to properly installing your car seat. Selection, direction, location, installation, and harnessing. Theo says we need to work on installation and harnessing today. Okay. As I'm reviewing your installation, there are a few items we can correct. This is a tether. It's on all forward-facing car seats. In a few minutes, we'll go over where to attach this in your vehicle. And when using it, it reduces the child's head from moving 4 to 6 inches in a crash. Yay! That's awesome. We have one item to discuss regarding harnessing. When a child is rear-facing, you want the harness straps to be at or below the child's shoulders. When the child is forward-facing, you want the harness straps to be at or above the child's shoulders. You want the chest clip at armpit level, like it is right here, and you want the harness snug enough. You want your harness snug enough so you can pinch no extra webbing at the shoulders. This is called the pinch test, and your harness is tight enough. You are good to go! Clap your hands. Yay! Thanks, Theo. You saved the day. Bradley, you're safe, and we're ready to go. Theo! What's wrong? Is there something wrong with Giuliana's car seat? Good morning. Theo alerted me that you may need help installing your booster seat. My name's Amanda Jackson. I'm a child passenger safety technician. Can I assist you this morning? Yes, of course. There are 4 steps to installing a booster seat. Selection, direction, location, and installation. Theo said that you all need help with the installation of your booster seat. As I'm reviewing your installation, there is one item we can correct. Giuliana, let's get into your booster seat. Thank you. When we buckle Giuliana in her booster seat, we want to use the correct belt path. We want the lat portion to make sure it's on her thighs and not her stomach, and we want the shoulder belt to be on her shoulder and not her neck. It is too high right now. We can use a shoulder belt adjuster to bring the seatbelt down. So what you'll do is, you'll put the seatbelt through this part right here, bring it down, and we'll look for fit. If you want to do this right now for me, please. And then you'll pull the webbing down. Thank you so much for making the correction. This looks great. You are safe now and ready to go.
To learn more about Child Passenger Safety Week and to find out where you can get your child's car seat checked, go to gahighwaysafety.org. Find more safety videos with Theo, DeKalb County Fire Rescue's Fire and Life Safety Dog, on Facebook and Instagram at DeKalb County Fire Rescue Department.